Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a computer. First, let's cover the simplest method, a wired connection. You will need a standard micro USB cable. Simply plug one end into the controller's port and the other into any open USB port on your computer. Most operating systems will instantly detect it as a basic gamepad, allowing you to start playing right away with minimal fuss. This is often the quickest way to get started. For a wireless experience, you'll use Bluetooth. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to pair. On your PS4 controller, press and hold both the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. The light bar on the controller will begin to flash quickly, signaling it's in pairing mode. Now, simply select Wireless Controller from your computer's Bluetooth device list to complete the connection. While a direct connection works for many games, some titles might benefit from enhanced functionality. Software like DS4 Windows can significantly improve your experience. This application allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox controller, which many PC games natively support. It also provides options for custom button mapping, touchpad gestures, and even adjusting the light bar's color, giving you much more control over your gameplay. After connecting, it's always a good idea to test your controller. You can use an online gamepad tester or simply launch a game to check if all buttons and sticks are responding correctly. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your computer's Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Also, confirm the controller has sufficient battery for wireless play. Sometimes, a quick restart of your computer or the controller itself can resolve minor connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.